Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Invite Collaborator option not showing on Instagram. To start this tutorial, open your App Store in your mobile device. Now wait for App Store to finish loading. Once you're here, use the search bar this time. And then, on search, you're going to look for Instagram. Hit enter after typing. Now wait for it to finish loading. Once you find Instagram, tap on it. And then in here, make sure you update your Instagram application by clicking on the update button. Once done, close the App Store. In here, open your Instagram application. Once done, tap on your profile on the bottom right. And then, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time. In here, click the gear icon that says Settings. Once you are in Settings, tap on Privacy. Over at Privacy, in Private Account, you will now turn this one off. Switch to Public. Now, you are going to look for the plus sign. This will allow you to create a new post. Now choose from any videos or photos from your gallery. Choose any one. In here, I've chosen. Now just edit it as is. After that one, you will see an option that says Tag People. In here, you will see Invite Collaborator and it should now be enabled in your Instagram application. To add the Invite Collaborator, just tap the photo to tag people, and then search your sponsor or your partner. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.